Welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Thursday, January the 10th, 2019. And before we get started, I just want to remind you again about our software specials that we have running. We can save you 15% with the code Bullseye15 at this link right here. That'll be all in the YouTube comments for you. We have monthly plans and yearly plans. We have a standard subscription, or we have the premium subscription where you can get Holly with all the bells and whistles. And sometimes it's good to look at trends. And here's a trend here of our Trade Idea accounts. And you can see we were stagnant here in 2013, 14, and 15. In 2016, we introduced Holly, the artificial intelligence, and you can see how our accounts jumped. And in 27, they increased even more. And take a look at the 2018 growth. So we've had a very, a lot of people joining this software. So if you're already a member, congratulations. If you're not, it's something you might want to try out. And with that, let's go ahead and get to our quick market update, and we can see here IWM. We are up for the fifth straight day. It is on lighter volume, so not a lot of volume, but my training tells me the trend will continue, and clearly we have a trend going up for right now. Now we are coming up upon the 50-day moving average, which is going to present a lot of resistance, and you can see here we had a level there, so we might get a little bit of bump there. We might get a pullback. So we'll just have to wait and see what happens. As far as the day goes here, we did have a little bit of volatility here where we had this pullback midday, but then it recovered. We closed near highs. The diamonds, pretty much the same story. We're a little bit further away from the 50 than we were with the IWM, but we still have that fifth green candle. We have the bullish engulfing candle set up, and I think we had that on the IWM as well. Yes, we did. And there you go there. We can look down here, see it was on light volume. You can see the volatility through the day, but nice finish. The spiders, we have much of the same story. There's that bullish engulfing candle. There's your 50 SMA. You can see the pullback during the middle of the day, but closed near highs. Maybe average volume on the spiders. And the Qs, closer to the 50 there, the bullish engulfing candle, the pullback midday. So looking good across the boards. Now with that, let's go ahead and jump into Holly real fast, see how she's looking today. We had Holly Grail with 11-cent profit. I have a feeling that pullback in the middle of the day had a little bit of a negative effect on the risk off profit, and you can see here she had all long trades with only one short trade, and a short trade she got out because she hit the stop, and on risk on profit $1.71. So the fact that we had that pullback kicked her out of a lot of the trades, and then the recovery made the risk on very nice. Her best trade for today was QCOM, Qualcomm. So you can see where she got into it. Got out for a timed exit, 53 cents profit. And had you stayed in until the end of the day, you would have made 67 cents, even though a lot of people possibly could have bailed right here during the midday on it. But nonetheless, if you held till the end, 67 cents. And the best trade was WPC for the risk on, $1.26 profit. She got out for a timed exit, 28 cents, and then look how it ripped the rest of the day. So very nice trade there. Moving on to Holly 2.0, 10 trades there, 29-cent profit. And once again, we only had the one short trade. Risk on was 239, so the exact same thing happened. Her best trade was IPHI. She got in and got out for a timed exit, so you can see it there, 24 cents. But if you had stayed in till the end of the day, only 2 cents profit. And her best trade, Z-Lab, on the risk on, 94 cents. And she got out for the profit save dead even, and then it went on, just ripped towards the end of the day. So, just looking at that one, it might be something you want to keep an eye on for tomorrow. And now let's go ahead and move these charts up here a little bit and see how we look for the Holly Neo. And we had 5 trades. We lost 55 cents. On the risk on, we had a loss of just 18 cents. And if we look at that, her best trade was just a 7-cent profit on a short ARLP. And risk on for that was 23 cents. Her best trade was RYAAY. She got out for a 12-cent loss because of reduced risk, and then went on to make 41 cents on the risk on category. So, that little hiccup in the middle of the day got everybody goofed up. Let's bring in our Excel spreadsheet, see how we're doing for our totals for the day. We ended up with 24 trades today, 15-cent loss. $3.92 was the risk on profit. For the week, we're up to 145 trades. $9.59 was the risk off trade. $18.45 was the risk on trade. So I might have said risk on, but $9.59 risk off, $18.45 risk on. And so that is our Holly report for today. And just to remind you, if you want to follow me on my blog, you can do that at bullseyetrader.com. You can always like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, we'd sure appreciate a thumbs up. Maybe share it with some friends and family. That would be awesome. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to these YouTube videos. Just hit that subscribe button on the bottom. Then if you hit the alarm bell, you'll be reminded every time I post one, which is normally 5 times a week. So, hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.